Hello there, welcome to my kitchen, or rather, my laboratory of comestibles. Lose weight fast, 20 protein foods you'll love. Today, we're tackling a titan of the nutritional world, weight loss. Now, I'm not here to sell you a magic pill or a one-size-fits-all miracle plan. No, we're scientists in this space, and we rely on evidence. The evidence overwhelmingly points to a single, powerful macronutrient that can be your greatest ally in the battle of the bulge. I'm talking about protein. Our first specimen is a dairy delight that has journeyed from ancient Greece to the refrigerated aisle of your local grocery store. I'm talking about Greek yogurt, strained, concentrated, superior. Plain, low-fat Greek yogurt, up to 17 grams of protein per serving. Think of Greek yogurt as a blank canvas. Next, we turn to a true cornerstone of fitness-focused cuisine, the humble chicken breast, the undisputed champion of lean protein. A 3.5-ounce serving of cooked chicken breast delivers about 31 grams of protein. Grilled, baked, poached, pan-seared, shredded. To call chicken breast boring is to call a blank canvas boring. The art is up to you. Let us now consider one of nature's most perfect packages of nutrition, the egg. Thankfully, modern science has exonerated the egg, revealing it to be a goldmine of nutrients. A single large egg contains approximately 6 grams of highly bioavailable protein. Scrambled, fried, poached, boiled, omelet, frittata. A hard-boiled egg is the perfect portable, protein-rich snack. We return to the dairy case for our next subject, a food that has been patiently waiting for its moment back in the spotlight. Its credentials as a protein powerhouse are, frankly, unimpeachable. It is rich in casein, a type of milk protein that digests slowly, forming a gel in the stomach. A single cup of low-fat cottage cheese can provide an astonishing 28 grams of protein. The applications are endless, dips, and even pancake batter. Let's move into the plant kingdom and examine a humble pantry staple that punches far above its weight class. Meet the lentil. These tiny, lens-shaped legumes are one of the oldest cultivated crops. Our ancestors were clearly onto something. They are inexpensive, have a long shelf life, and are an absolute juggernaut of plant-based protein and fiber. One cooked cup delivers around 18 grams of protein and a staggering 16 grams of dietary fiber. This 1-2 punch is a knockout for hunger. The protein provides building blocks, the fiber slows digestion. Red lentils cook down quickly, perfect for soups. Brown and green lentils hold their shape, ideal for salads and stews. We will dissect, analyze, and appreciate 20 protein-packed foods to arm you with knowledge. This isn't about eating less, it's about eating smarter. Our mission today is a gastronomic journey to understand why they work. So grab your thinking caps and a fork. It's time to get to the meat of the matter. Now let's cast our nets into the sea and reel in a convenience food that's a nutritional superstar. I'm referring to canned tuna. Focus on tuna packed in water, not oil. That way you get protein without added calories. A 3-ounce serving of light tuna in water has about 20 grams of protein. Tuna also delivers omega-3 acids, EPA, and DHA. These fats help reduce inflammation and support brain and heart health. Our next subject is often misunderstood, a block of beige potential that has been unfairly maligned. Let's talk about tofu. Tofu is made by coagulating soy milk and pressing the resulting curds into solid white blocks. A 3-ounce serving of firm tofu typically contains around 8 to 10 grams of complete protein. The true genius of tofu is its ability to absorb flavors. Pressing allows it to act like a sponge, soaking up any marinade. Let's journey to the Andes Mountains. It's often mistaken for a grain, but it's actually a seed. I'm talking about quinoa. Quinoa stands apart in the plant world. It is a complete protein. This is a rarity among plant-based foods. One cooked cup provides about 8 grams of high-quality protein and about 5 grams of fiber. It can replace rice in a pilaf, serve as foundation for grain bowls, be formed into veggie burgers. Often relegated to a single holiday feast, our next protein source deserves year-round attention. I speak of the turkey breast. A 3.5-ounce serving has about 29 grams of protein with very little fat. Deli sliced turkey breast, ground turkey breast, turkey tenderloins. Versatile, delicious, and powerful tool. The pod prodigy, edamame. Our next exhibit is a snack food that delivers a satisfying pop and powerful protein punch. Just 1 cup of shelled edamame provides around 18 grams of complete plant-based protein. It's also rich in fiber, folate, and vitamin K. The combination makes it fun to eat and incredibly filling. Shelled beans can be added to salads, blended into hummus-like dip, tossed into stir-fries, added to noodle dishes. We've seen humble legumes, mighty fish of the sea, and we're going to arm you with knowledge. It's about strategic consumption. It's about satiety, which protein provides in spades. It's about thermogenesis, preserving precious lean muscle mass while your body sheds unwanted fat. You need the right tools in your culinary toolbox. Prepare to re-engineer your grocery list. We return to the water for a fish that is prized not just for its protein, but for its luxurious fat content. I'm talking about salmon. It perfectly illustrates that not all fats are created equal, and some are essential for optimal health. A 3.5-ounce serving contains about 20 grams of high-quality protein. The co-star is its omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for brain health, reducing inflammation, supporting cardiovascular system. It can be baked, grilled, pan-seared, poached. Simple preparation with lemon, dill, salt, and pepper. The Black Beauty, black beans. Let's dig into another leguminous hero, a pantry staple that's as affordable as it is nutritious. 1 cup cooked delivers about 15 grams of protein and an equal 15 grams of dietary fiber. This near-perfect ratio is a recipe for extreme satiety. The fiber slows digestion, keeping you full for hours. They can be the star of hearty soup, key component in chili, addition to salads, mashed as veggie burger base. Our next subject takes the humble soybean and elevates it through ancient fermentation. Meat tempeh. Made by fermenting whole soybeans into a firm, dense cake. Uses the whole bean, resulting in higher protein, fiber, vitamins. A 3-ounce serving can contain up to 16 grams of protein. It can be sliced, cubed, crumbled, grilled, baked, pan-fried. Great at soaking up marinades. Let's dive back into the ocean for a crustacean that is small in size but a giant in the protein department. I'm talking about shrimp. A 3-ounce serving provides 20 grams of protein for only 85 calories. Incredible protein to calorie ratio. Shrimp cook in minutes, one of the fastest proteins you can prepare. Perfect for stir-fry, Caesar salad topping, chilled cocktail appetizer, grilled on skewers, sautéed with garlic. Our next protein source proves that good things come in small packages. Let's talk about pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas. Often discarded after carving, these little green seeds are a nutritional treasure packed with plant-based protein. Just 1 ounce delivers around 9 grams of protein. That's more protein per ounce than an egg. One of the best natural sources of magnesium, crucial for muscle function and blood sugar control. Sprinkle over Greek yogurt, toss into salads, blend into pesto, make seed butter, roast with olive oil and spices. From the deep sea to tiny seeds, we're building your protein arsenal with diverse, delicious options. Each provides the building blocks for muscle and the satiety to keep you satisfied. This is about strategic eating. More protein, better satiety, smarter choices. Let's address the other white meat. While pork often gets a bad rap for being fatty, choosing the right cut is paramount. We are targeting pork loin. When trimmed to visible fat, pork loin is lean, flavorful, and protein-rich. A 3.5 ounces serving contains about 26 grams of high-quality protein. Tenderloin cooks fast, ideal for pan-searing, grilling. Larger roasts can be slow roasted, then sliced for meal prep. We're returning to the legume family for a versatile, affordable, incredibly popular member. Let's give it up for the chickpea. 1 cup cooked equals 15 g protein. 1 cup cooked equals 13 g fiber. That combo equals long-lasting satiety. Blended into creamy hummus. Roasted with spices until crispy, in curries, in stews, in salads. Keep chickpeas on hand, canned or dry, to easily boost protein and fiber. Our next protein is a marvel of food science, a plant-based option that will surprise you. Let's examine seitan. Made from gluten, the main protein in wheat. Created by washing wheat flour dough until starch rinses away. A 3-ounce serving can pack 20 to 25 grams of protein. Its texture is remarkably chewy and meat-like, far more so than tofu or tempeh. Pan-fried, baked, grilled, added to stews. Can be sliced thin for stir-fries, sandwiches, cut into chunks for skewers. We're diving deep for our penultimate protein, a tiny fish often overlooked but packs a nutritional wallop. Let's open a tin of sardines. Don't let their size fool you. They are one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. A single 3.75 ounce can provide up to 23 grams of high-quality protein. Because you eat the entire fish, including tiny edible bones, they're an incredible source of calcium. Delicious mashed onto toasted whole grain bread with lemon. Chop and toss with pasta, garlic, and olive oil. For our final subject, we come full circle to the dairy aisle for a simple, classic, effective protein source. I'm talking about skim milk. In the complex world of nutrition, sometimes the simplest choices are the most effective. A single 8-ounce cup provides about 8 grams of high-quality protein. This protein is a blend of whey and casein, the very proteins often sold as expensive supplements. Essential base for protein-packed smoothie, combining with Greek yogurt, protein powder, and fruit. Used to cook oatmeal. From lean meats to plant powerhouses, we've covered the spectrum of protein options. Each offers unique benefits. Lean protein, complete amino acids, fiber, healthy fats, convenience. And there you have it. 20 powerful, protein-packed foods. Each a unique tool to add to your nutritional arsenal. We've journeyed from the dairy case to the deep sea, from the butcher block to the bean aisle. Whether you're an omnivore, a vegetarian, or somewhere in between, there are delicious, satisfying options. The goal was to arm you with knowledge and move beyond headlines to understand the why behind the what. Protein is not just a number on a label. It's a key that can unlock satiety, preserve muscle, and fuel your body for success. This isn't about restriction, it's about strategic addition. By incorporating these foods, you'll naturally feel fuller, more energized, and less tempted by nutrient-poor options. The best diet isn't a temporary fix. It's a sustainable pattern of eating you genuinely enjoy. I hope this inspired you to get creative in the kitchen and build meals aligned with your health goals. Remember, this is your journey. Experiment with these foods, find the ones you love, and discover new ways to prepare them. Your palate and your waistline will thank you. Now, I'm curious to know which of these protein powerhouses is your personal favorite or which one you're excited to try next. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for joining me in the laboratory today. Stay curious, eat smart, and I'll see you next time.